Hello, hi, good morning, how you all? Today is Wednesday, 3rd of November, so we're gonna, as usual, we're gonna do the mapping for today. They have several, maybe we can say mapping that we can look at for today. So let's just begin. We open our platform first. So here I open my OctaFX. Hi, so guys who just joined us, and welcome. Just stay in the live. I already follow me. Hi all. Hi morning. So now is around 7 in the morning at Malaysia time. So why I do such a live stream for this morning, because I want to look up a few mapping that I think we can look up for entry for to put our position in. First of all, we look in the Forex Factory to look what is academic calendar for today. So here we have several big data release, high impact and medium impact. For those who don't know what is the color for high impact and medium impact, for orange color is medium impact, for red color is for high impact. So as you guys can see already, through NZD is for New Zealand already passed through. RB NZ financial stability report, also together with employment change quarterly. Unemployment rate, so we can see the numbers here. As you can see, we go to we read some news. Actual is less than forecast is good for the currency, as you guys can know. Previous is 4.0, they are forecasting on 3.9, and actual is lower than that. Is basically what we can say, and that they going to be strong for today, maybe for the short time period. So we can look up for NZD pair, we can look up for NZD JPY, whereby JPY still hold the loose policy. We can look at that pair to we analyze at that pair. So as you can see, this is a paper from NZD. We can see as you can see, the news is unemployment and unrealization continue falls. The season adjust unemployment and unrealized rate fall for 3.4 and 9.2% respectively in the September 2021 quarter, while the employment rate rose to at 68.8%. As you can see in the graph here, the graph is rapidly gradually down. You can see from here to here some spike going down, means that NZD recovering, NZD economic recovering very well. Besides that, we also know there are people in NZD already 80% or 90% as almost to 90% complete the second dose. Now they are going to the booster dose, whereby it's third dose. So back to our trading, back to our platform. So we just look for maybe we can apply for NZD JPY. So here I select first for NZD JPY. Where is NZD JPY? Okay, Good. Alright, so you open first. So our favorite color is, as it usually, is red and blue. Red is represent for red represent for bearish, blue represent for bullish. So okay, we go to H4 to look. Yeah, we can expect that NZD going to up. So what we gonna do? So here is our baseline. I call this is a safe zone area, so whereby you can look out for entry for buy, which means so but yes, you can see here the price already price already going down and reject this area, reject this box area. So what you guys can do, you can stand by for you guys can instantly buy here one maybe a smaller lot size, and you can put a PO pending order in the inside the box. So I expected the SL area will be, I don't want to drag too down, because this is maybe thing suitable area. Then as you guys can see, this is a support, very strong support area, that two times the price try to break out this line, this particular line. So it managed fail to break out this line. So I put this as our SL area, stop loss area. SL area. So okay, where is the TP? So back to the news. Okay, my prediction will be this particular pair will move around maybe London open, or I expected we can has slightly big volatile on the London open session. So we just wait for the London. So right now what we can do, we can instantly for smaller lot size, and you can do it here to put your pending order to buy, have a long position here. So all the way you can layer in this area, but always manage your risk wisely, because we don't want to trade one time, we want to take continuously, because we want to be a consistent trader. So in order to be a consistent trader, so you have to bear in mind always control your money management, always control your risk, think your risk before your profits. So that's the thing you have to put as a prior top priority for your SOP in the trading, so you can have a good discipline in your trading. So that's the thing I really want to you guys have to know the what is the how to be the consistent trader, because everyone is going to have a loss entry, that fact. So this is not the holy grail technique whereby I give the example, I give the mapping, then you guys entry, then all the way you can profit. But it also can against my mapping, so you also can go down and touch the SL area. So you guys have to calculate how much your risk from this area to this area is around 64 pips. So have to calculate your risk first. How to calculate, you can refer to my previous video. I already teach how to calculate your money management. The minimum percentage suggest is around 10% out of your capital. So this is the minimum. So if you guys using your saving money, please trade at least maximum the maximum percentage you can put is 10%. So grow your account first, and let your in the zero, I think what I can say, zero risk, whereby you already withdraw your capital, already withdraw your first capital, and you left just your profit in the in your wallet or in your platform. So you guys in the zero risk. So what we can expect from here, first we come here and going up here. So where is the TP area is a good question. So we look first, we look first for this pair, I think the TP I will put somewhere around here. So TP from this zone to this level is around 15116, is around 160 peaks. So your SL area is around 34, is around 1:4, very good ratio. So always keep that momentum to show your always have bigger TP rather than stop loss. Always have bigger TP rather than stop loss, so we can grow your account thing perfectly. So this is for one pair. We go to another pair. We just look to another pair. Maybe we can look to I think is Euro JPY is also can. We go to Euro JPY. Where is Euro JPY? So H4. Why I always look in the H4? Because H4 is considered as a bigger time frame. H4 and above is considered bigger time frame. H1 and to M1 is a lower time frame. So what I do, because this is a swing position that I want to know, that I want you guys to know, this is a swing position, whereby we look for a mapping that we can hold for 2-3 days for this week until end of Fridays. Maybe this mapping quite take quite time, because this is not scalping or intraday. This is a swing trading, intraday to swing. I can say this is intraday to swing. So we just have a mapping first. We look up for the direction first based on the fundamental data release on today. So what we can say here, based on this data release, Spanish unemployment rate. So you guys can see the history here from June to 2021. Previous is 39, negative 39, forecast is 115, and actual is 129. So they are all the way, their numbers is negative until October 4. So what we can predict here, so for this they are focusing more to negative. What will impact for this if data really follow the forecast numbers is Euro euro currencies will be I think weak for a while, so we can expect it. So this price will go up, this price will go up. So this is the area that I want to you guys to look up first. This is the area. If you can see in the I open in the bigger time frame, which is a daily time frame, yes, you guys can see price still on the price before this is on the downtrend position. You guys can see here, price is on the downtrend position, but one thing, it's already break the line, already changed to the uptrend position. Here is the retracement for this uptrend position. You can see they have a big pole here, high pole here. So this is the flex. In technicals we call it as a flag limit. So this is the retracement. So I go to the H4 positions. This is the area we can look up for buy position. Why I want to have a decision in buy position? Because of this data, fundamental data release. What I can say, if the numbers following back to the forecast numbers, actual following back to the forecast numbers, euro will be weak for a while, so we can look for buy position. We can look for buy position here. So the SL area I put here. This is my SL area. Oh sorry, this is my SL area. Where is my TP area? So the TP area will be up here. But I can see if the data release that show euro is very in the condition of very weak. So maybe this price will break out on this area, so above our TP. So to be more safe, I just put to this area. Price will go. We can predict where price will come into the zone and fly to this area for TP. This is TP area. TP area. Okay. Therefore for two mappings, you can look up for this morning, because I choose EJ and NJ because TPY the session is already open. Maybe around 8 to 8:30 Asian Open. For Asian Open, for Asian market will be open. So we can standby for look out for that particular position with that we want to entry for EJ and NJ. So you guys you can look for another, maybe we can look for things that pair related to the NZD NU. We can do NU. Okay. So NU NU. What happened to NU? NU in the rail of sideway, still on the sideway mode, but we can predict on the US Open back on the this afternoon, around 8:30. The price will go from here, price will go here and up to this area, so you can put your SL here. Why I take this SL area, because this is previous low of this trend, so you guys can put, if the price break out this area, is already want to change the direction, because I can see here the price is still doing the retracement, sideways retracement. So I predict price only can go up down to here, and if the price continue fall off to this area and break out this line, so we just cut our position, and we can look up for sell position, but because this trend already not valid for uptrend. So this is the TP area. This is the TP area. As you guys can see, from this area to this is around 30 pips for our stop loss area. So from this area to this area is around 201.4. That's why I call it as a swing position, because our TP is very high. You know, the TP area is very high. We can, price is not move in the one direction. Price will continue. Price will do what we can say impulsive and corrective movement. They always up and down movement, impulsive and corrective. There's no way price will do one way direction, which continue. Like if they want to do the bullish, they will continue bullish all the way bullish. In the certain situation, certain time, they will do a bullish, continue bullish and continue bearish. But they have a few conditions that we have to look. But mostly price will move for impulsive and corrective. So that's why I say this is a swing position. You can look, we have to hold this for 2-3 days or 4 days. We can, I predict that the price will reach TP is around this Friday, based on the fundamental data release. So this is the SL area. Is the TP area. And once again, I want to remind you all about take care of your money management. Always calculate your risk before your profits, and that's how you can become a sustained trader. And I recap for today. I already give NZD JPY, Euro JPY. So where is it? Euro JPY. Okay, this is Euro JPY. Another one is another one is, what is it? I forget. NZD USD. So I drag here NZD USD. So Euro JPY. So for today we have 3 mapping for today. I provide 3 mapping, which is one NZD JPY. We can look for a long position, and you can look for long position. Also EJ, you can look for long position. For this two pair, NZD and JPY, NZD JPY and Euro JPY, I predict the market will have a slowly the volume slowly come into the market. It's around 8:30 to 9, because Asian market will open just for just in a minute, around 1 or 2 hours from now. So we can look for in this area to put our pending order. This area you can put your pending order. Okay guys, that's all for today. Okay, happy trading. I hope you guys can sustain your trading and have a huge profit. So do good, and don't get emotion while you're trading. Okay guys, bye bye.